Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 22nd, and I wanted to show you our Coleus seedlings. Here, have some more up here growing, and they're growing under the light here. And I did some other batches of them. Now these do not have their true leaves yet, so they won't get their colors until their true leaves start coming out. And when they start getting their true leaves on them, we'll start feeding them with a 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. And we'll take that powder and mix it to a gallon of water. And then we'll feed our seedlings with it. And you want to make sure when you feed your seedlings that your soil is already nice and moist and wet, because we don't want to feed a dry plant because you can risk burning the root system, and we don't want to do that. So I just wanted to give you an update video on these, how they're doing, and show them to you. So we started these on February the 12th, and on February the 17th they started germinating for us. So I moved them under our lights here, and you can see the other seedlings I have growing there, and that washed in from somewhere else. I'm going to have to move that seedling there. Must have been on my desk when I mixed the soil up and accidentally got in there somehow. That happens sometimes. So I'll just prick it out and transplant it. And I did do more of these actually. They're growing over here. And I do have some other batches that I did that didn't quite, I didn't bring them out of their box yet because they're still sprouting. Now, one of the things with Coleus being with that downy mildew that you want to watch is you want to try and keep your foliage dry. Like, you don't want to water these right before the light's going to go out and have water on the leaves. And that's the same way for like impatiens. You don't want to do that either with those. And you want to make sure that the water that you use is room temperature. You don't want to use cold water because you can shock them. So one thing you can do is, like, you can bottom water these. Like, you can put this container here into another container and fill the water about up to here, and it will actually soak up into these, so your plants won't get the water on the leaves. That's something that you can do. And the cinnamon that we mixed in with the soil, that should help us a lot. So I just wanted to show you these here. And if you've never tried Coleus before, I highly recommend them. They're so beautiful, and they're not really grown for their flowers. They're grown for their foliage. And you can see on one of the tags there some of the pretty colors that they have. And they're so nice in mixed containers, or if you put them like in a container together, they just make such a bold statement. And they're one of my favorite plants. I've been growing them for multiple years. To me, if I don't have those, then it's just not a growing season, really. So, if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.